Could somebody let the hand? I could somebody let the love. And thank you for the moment I close my eyes. Then I know when I see on the bottom that I wanna stand on a note. Like I stand to you, so hard to understand. And I couldn't know when I lose and taking those to love and taking out the butter. Whoa, whoa. You know, this is 50 kilometers per hour, but I always forget. And here is the 80 kilometers per hour in this area. Take me to your heart, show me where to start. I am now here at my self-storage, but yeah, outside is cold. And the temperature actually is... What? Where is the temperature? In my phone. Yeah, the temperature actually shows sometimes here in the... What's this? Carbon monoxide monitor alarm. Yeah, it shows the temperature there at the carbon monoxide alarm. Yeah, it is 11 degrees centigrade outside. But actually there is no snow in Snowy Mountain, if I'm not mistaken. I heard it in one of my colleagues. Yeah, they went to Snowy Mountain and there was no snow. Probably by July. Yo, good day everyone. Today I work from 6 o'clock and I finish at actually 5:30. I start at 5:30 and I finish at 2 o'clock. And while I was working, I'm actually excited to finish my duty because yeah, I'm doing extension of the bed. Yeah, basically it's going to be kind of shelves where I'm going to put the air purifier. I'm going to put the computer monitor and some other kinds of decoration. And then I realized, yeah, I remember that we are going to a restaurant in Newcastle. Yeah, with Divina, Inigo, and Kiran. Yeah, there is a new Indian restaurant in Kotara, we spelled Kotara. And they want to try it, and so I am going with them. It is already 3:17 and I'm going to pick up Inigo in his house, and so I'm starting to clean myself. And I ate. Initially I'm thinking of going to Bunnings, yeah, because I have 2 hours since I left the workplace. Yeah, planning to go to Bunnings and pick the tabletop for this one. Yeah, but I said, oh no, it's not enough. I will not be able to finish even if I go there. And so I just come here and eat. I just finished eating the yogurt, blueberry, some of this rye bread. Yeah. Now I'm going to the shopping center. Yeah, I need to use the toilet. I have a toilet here, but I'm not using it here, just for emergency. It is now 3:59. We are now here at the house of Inigo. Already sent the message. Before people knock on the door when you arrive to pick up someone. Yeah, but these days you just send message. Actually, you just ask Siri, hey Siri, send message to Inigo. Send it. Yeah, how easy it is these days. Yeah, I put it the other way.
Robbie, sorry ah.
Huh?
Robbie, sorry ah.
Oh.
Hala, teka lang. Nalagay ko lang to. Masakit eh.
Paano yan?
Yung paso.
Ba't late na?
Alin?
Yung pasok.
Anong late na yung paso?
Dapat nang nakabakasyon ka yan eh.
Ano to eh?
Look, Inigo has an accident again. Accident.
Hello vlog, how are you? I miss you. Can I have a shout out? Shout out to my bebe Mila del Sol. Buti may ano ka ngayon.
Bago yung relo?
Hindi, bago yung ano. Yung ganito. I-adjust ko na lang. Teka lang, tatapo ko ng basura. Tapo ka na ng basura, Robby, yung mga kalat mo.
Wala ako.
Wala?
It was about an hour drive coming from the bay to Newcastle. Actually in Whispered Kotara. I forgot the name of this gaming center. Something like zone. Sports zone or game zone. Yeah, and this is actually my very first time to play bowling. I was able to throw the ball before, but I was not the player. They just let me try. But yeah, this time Inigo decided to rent one game. So yeah, we play it, and yeah, I don't know how to use Inigo. Actually, Inigo just teach me how to hold it, how to how to play with this, but I did not really understand totally how this works. Yeah, I'm just throwing the ball, the balls. Yeah, but in the end, I won. As you can see the score. Inigo then received a message from the other guys, saying that they are already waiting in the new restaurant. The name of the restaurant is Masala Kitchen, and when I check online, they actually have different branches, in Sydney area. And yes, chef decided to order a selection, different different items. Just like this one. I don't know exactly the name. I mean, I forgot. And also, this is my very first time to taste it. Yeah, it's like that's how they eat. Kiran actually telling me how to eat it properly. And one bite, and I was eating it the wrong way. Yeah, because I thought by eating it this way, I'll be able to really taste it. But yeah, they said I should put it all in my mouth, one big bite, not like what I am doing now. Yeah, that is how it is if it's first time. But yeah, because there is another one, so that's what I did on the other one. That one. Yeah. As you notice, I don't have beer because I don't drink anymore. When I was in Dubai, we also go out with my chefs and other colleagues. Yeah, and I drink before, but not anymore. I don't like. And then this food, I don't know exactly, but it's like a crepe Eh, it's made of rice flour something. Yeah, but yeah, like what I said, this is also another first time for me to experience. Yeah, it is crunchy, crispy, and inside is actually kind of a potato. Yeah, it's delicious. You know, I don't order something new like this because I don't want to be disappointed. And so I am able to experience this kind of different food when I am with the other guys. Yeah, just like another thing, this is also something new to me. Yeah, because you know, if you remember, I always eat Indian food coming from the grocery, the microwavable one. And so actually, chef decided to just order a selection. And so, yeah, we are able to taste, yeah, this kind of Indian food. Yeah, it's nice, very good. I will go again there next time in that masala restaurant. You know, sometimes we just need to experience the food and we realize how good it is. And then, instead of taking my bun, yeah, me and Inigo just go with the Bina's car. And then we went to the, where is that? In Charlestown. Yeah, there is another bowling alley in, yeah, the name is Strike. It is in Charlestown. It's about a 15 minutes drive from Westfield Kotara, another shopping mall. And in there, yeah, we play bowling. Yeah, 2 lane. One for me and Tom and Divina. And then the others for Kiran and Chef Nathan. Actually, this guy Tom, yeah, he was able to do 4 strikes. Amazing. Yeah, probably he is always playing this kind of game. I mean, the Australians. Yeah, because there is a bowling center, yeah, near in the Salamander Bay Shopping Square, and so probably they always go there. I always go there also before when I was riding my bike, and that's where I usually eat something. Yeah, because they also have a cafe. Yeah, nice. When I was in Dubai, I remember that they always do something like this, but yeah, not playing games, but usually in the pub or in the, you know, drinking or eating in the restaurant. Yeah, it's good to have something like this. Yeah, very nice. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow.